in a day's worth of job. Yes, these 15 prompts, they take some time. I mean, when you hear of AI doing the job for you, you definitely think it's going to be an easy pizza cake. No, you have to do the work. Yeah, so currently, right now, you can see I've done a lot of video generations, a lot of them. Come closer. Yeah, I've done quite a number of them. On the last one, actually, we are all going to watch this together. I'm just showing you. So this is the last one I did, which was scene 14. So now I want to do the last scene, which needs the 15 prompt. See where the 15 prompt is. I'm just going to copy this. Let me copy this of scene 15. Yeah, just copy this right now. And then we will quickly go into Grok. And this time around, we'll just paste that in. As you can see here, paste that in and then let it go. And let's see what magic is going to do, right? Because really, ultimately, you give it some prompts, you give it an imagination of its own, and then you also give it some guides. So let's see how this is gonna go. Let's see how this is gonna go. I mean, I'm really excited about this. I mean, while this is going on, let's go into InShot and start putting all the pieces together, right? Okay, so we are currently on InShot, so I'm just going to try to put this together. Just pick any one of them. Can always change that, right? So I'll add all the pieces, all the bits and pieces together. They are videos, so we'll take it from the very, very beginning. I guess this is the beginning, so we just pick them. That's let me count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I doing? Let me take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on. How come I have all these videos here? I'm not sure. I have, okay, maybe I just put some videos together. I'll just redo them again. I'm not sure. I'll check them as we go. Let's just put everything there. I'm sure there may, okay, I guess there are like some duplicates, but I'll just put them there. I'll find out. Okay, so here they all are, right? We're going to watch them all together. I think there's a duplicate somewhere there. Let me remove this one first and foremost. So there's a duplicate. Let me see. I'll find out. So let's go and check whether our last video is ready. So we'll go back to Grok and see whether our last video is ready.
Hurry! The rain is coming!
Yeah.
Drive faster!
Wow, I like this one. Can you see how he's doing? Wow. God gave him supernatural strength. Let me just download that.
Rising! Hurry! The rain is coming! Drive faster!
There's something I saw there.